All right, we have some nasty weather. Our friends in Otis are really in the crosshairs of this right now.
Meteorologist Danielle Grant has been keeping a close eye on the storm. Danielle, how's it looking?
Folks out there in Akron and Otis, you guys both under that tornado warning until 6:30. We'll see if the National Weather Service extends this warning as this supercell tornado is tracking to the south and to the east tonight. It's moving at a fairly rapid pace, but on the eastern side of this, you can kind of see that area in yellow right there. That's going to be the severe thunderstorm warning. That also is in place until 7 p.m. Just on the fringe of this supercell, we're looking at golf ball sized hail, but everywhere in blue, this hail core easily tennis ball to baseball size hail. And again, it is just starting to approach the Akron area. Otis, I would take cover. Find your safe space as this tornado is going to be heading in your direction. Again, law enforcement as well as weather spotters, they have been out on the ground. I've seen photos on Twitter of this tornado as it's been tracking from Weld County all the way into parts of Washington County tonight. The hail has been just outrageous, and of course, dealing with a damaging tornado too. The cloud tops to this 40,000 feet. So this is a monstrous storm out there that is just going to keep going as we have a lot of heat and a lot of instability in the atmosphere. I do have a couple other storms out there. They are not severe. However, they are putting down some pretty heavy rain. A good light show just to the north of I-70 between Stratton and Burlington. These cells slowly pushing off to the east tonight. Again, that severe thunderstorm watch in place until 9 p.m. with that one major supercell just starting to push back into Akron and Otis with the stronger cells out there toward Burlington. Tonight here in Denver, we are not expecting any kind of severe storms. Overnight lows will dip into the lower 50s for us. Partly cloudy skies after about midnight off to the eastern plains with 30s and 40s up through the high country. And then looking at the extended forecast as we head into the holiday weekend, storms move out tonight. This is about 10 p.m. Cloud cover still in place out to the far northwestern corner of Colorado. But by morning, here comes a bit more moisture coming our way from the east. We'll get those easterly winds that set up. And then throughout the day, some pockets of sunshine that'll allow our temperatures to warm into the 70s tomorrow. So we'll have the moisture, we'll have the heat, we'll have a bit of instability out there, and that means the thunderstorms that do pop up tomorrow afternoon, typical timing about 2-3 o'clock, will have the potential to go severe. Again, tomorrow we'll be talking about large hail, damaging winds, and possibly an isolated tornado or two off to the eastern plains. As the evening wears on, 11 o'clock, these storms are still going strong, so keep that in mind. If you're traveling I-80, you're heading out toward Lake McConaughey, you're along I-70 heading out toward Kansas as well. As we zoom in here to Colorado, much of I-25 off to the eastern plains, even up toward the foothills, will be under a marginal risk for seeing severe storms tomorrow. And then looking ahead towards Sunday, we also will be under that marginal threat for more severe weather. Again, the first half of the day, mostly cloudy skies, a little bit of sunshine, daytime highs topping off in the lower 70s for us. It's a whole lot warmer out to the western slope and a bit drier out there too. Highs remain in the 60s and 70s here for the urban corridor. And then that's when we start to see some cooler weather pour back in. 60s, some rain on Sunday, a few more pop-up storms coming our way on Memorial Day afternoon. And the storms, they are going to fire up as we head into the middle of next week.